In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ratio chart in TradingView. A ratio chart lets you compare the performance of two symbols against each other on a single chart, instead of viewing them separately. Let's get started. First, we need to open TradingView Supercharts. In your browser, go to tradingview.com/chart and wait a moment for the chart workspace to fully load on your screen. Once the chart is ready, we'll set it to a daily time frame so the comparison is easier to read. Look up at the top toolbar and click the interval button. A menu will pop up showing different time intervals. Scroll down to the days section and click 1 day. After that, confirm that the top toolbar now displays either D or 1D, which means your chart is now running on a daily interval. Next, we'll open the symbol search window so we can enter our ratio formula. In the top left of the toolbar, click the current symbol button. This will open a search window in the middle of your screen. Inside the search field, click Clear to remove whatever symbol is currently entered. This gives us a clean slate to type our ratio in. Now we're going to enter the actual ratio formula. In the search field, type NASDAQ:(A), APL, then a /, then NASDAQ:(MSFT). This formula tells TradingView to plot Apple divided by Microsoft as a single ratio value. Take your time entering it carefully so the symbols are recognized correctly. Once the formula is typed in, press Enter on your keyboard and wait for the chart to update with the new ratio data. Now we can read the ratio chart. First, check that the active symbol in the top left toolbar now shows APL divided by MSFT. That confirms the ratio is active. Next, look down at the bottom time range bar and click 1Y to view 1 year of data. Use the ratio direction to interpret what you're seeing. When the ratio line rises, the first symbol is outperforming the second. When the ratio line falls, the first symbol is underperforming the second. The chart is now displaying daily ratio values rather than a normal single stock price, which means you can directly compare Apple's performance against Microsoft over the selected time range. Congratulations! You successfully set up a ratio chart in TradingView.